Have you ever wondered what would happen if social media platforms were only allowed to promote organic content? The social media landscape as we know it is a buzzing hive of activity, with content being shared, liked, and commented on every second. It's a world where both organic and paid promotions coexist, each playing their distinct roles. Let's take a moment to understand this dynamic. Organic content is like the heart of social media. It's content created and shared by individuals based purely on their interests and experiences. It's raw, it's real, and it's relatable. On the other hand, we have paid promotions. They're like the express lanes on a highway, providing a fast-track route for content to reach a wider audience. Brands, influencers, and even everyday users utilize these paid promotions to ensure their content gets the visibility it deserves. Imagine a world where only organic content takes the spotlight. Intriguing, isn't it? So, what happens when we remove paid promotions from the equation? A fascinating question indeed. Without paid promotions, it's highly likely that the reach of content across social media platforms would take a dip. This means that your newest post, tweet, or video might not get as many views as before. But before you start worrying, let's flip the coin. This change could potentially enhance the quality of interactions and engagements. How? Well, without the bombardment of promotional content, only those truly intrigued by your content will engage with it. This could lead to more meaningful and authentic discussions, fostering a sense of community and connection. In this new landscape, your content needs to be compelling, relevant, and valuable to stand out. It's no longer about how much you can spend, but about how well you can engage. So while it seems daunting, it's a chance to get creative and personal. It appears that while reach would take a hit, the quality of interactions might just see an upswing. How would this change affect influencers and brands? Now that's a question worth pondering. Imagine a world where influencers and brands have to roll up their sleeves and dive in headfirst to maintain their visibility. It's no longer about who can spend the most on promotions, but about who can create the most compelling, high-quality content that naturally pulls in users. Influencers would need to truly influence not just through paid promotions, but with their creativity, authenticity, and the ability to resonate with their followers. Brands, on the other hand, would need to become storytellers, crafting narratives that captivate and engage. This new landscape might seem daunting, but it could also pave the way for a more genuine relationship between influencers, brands, and their followers. Authenticity could become the new currency, making the connection even deeper and more meaningful. Influencer marketing and brand visibility would certainly face a significant challenge, but it might not be all bad news. What can we take away from this thought experiment? In a world where social media platforms are only allowed to promote organic content, we may see a significant decrease in reach. The sheer volume of content would likely dilute the impact of each individual post, making it harder for messages to break through the noise. However, this does not necessarily mean a decrease in quality. In fact, it could potentially lead to an increase in quality of engagements. With less clutter and noise, the content that does reach us might be more relevant, leading to more meaningful interactions. The scenario poses a challenge for influencers and brands, who would need to rethink their strategies to maintain visibility. They would need to rely more on their creativity and genuine connections with their audience rather than on paid promotions. While this change would certainly shake up the social media landscape, it might just lead to a more authentic and engaging online environment. What are your thoughts on this? Share your views in the comments below.